What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back down here working on the Truck 17 restoration project. If this is your first time tuning in, I highly recommend going back and checking out the older videos on this truck so you can see where we came from and what we've done. In the last episode, you seen the reassembly of the steering axle, and we got one of the fuel tanks off. Between then and now, I have done a little bit of shopping, so I got something to show you real quick, and then we'll get to work on this cab, getting it stripped down and ready to pull off the frame. So we got a little bit of exciting news here. For the Kenide, you can probably tell these are not the rear ends that I took out of this truck. I just so happened to be looking around and found a listing for two rebuilt carriers that were the correct gear ratio and torque arm mounting arrangement, and the price you couldn't argue, and the guy just wanted the cores back. So it's kind of unfortunate. I was a little bit excited about rebuilding that front carrier, but at the same time I couldn't afford not to buy these things. So it'll speed up the process of getting this truck back together. Unfortunately, you guys are going to miss out on seeing one of these get rebuilt. So a little bit of give and take there. So first things first, we're going to go through this cab, get all the garbage cleaned out of it. Who knows, we might find some cool old relics from days gone by. Get the floor mats out of it, get the seats out of it, pull up the floor pan, remove the shifters, and start unhooking wires and airlines and everything in between. Yo. Do I need to keep that? No. I'm gonna make new battery cables anyways. Coax cable. We'll need tools for that. Floor mat, keep that. What the heck? An entire roll of caution tape. Hopefully that's not an omen of some sort. Rag. More rag. Glove. Oh, crap. Another glove. Yeah, I did find some old school power steering. That's a piece of window guide. We better save that. I'm not sure what that is, but I feel like I shouldn't be touching it. Injector line hold downs. That's where they went. Well, that looks like that's about it for stuff inside the cab. Let's go ahead and try to get this floor mat out of here. Oh boy. check out this old school Mack seatbelt buckle. Now that's cool. Okay. I'm sure this is going to be a lot heavier than it looks. Oh yeah. What a fine way to get tetanus. Oh boy. Remember what I said about the floor being solid? It appears that's not the case back here. Just stop. Stop while you're ahead. Okay, so we're back at it. Trying to get these retainers pulled out. Get our shifters out. Pull this floor. We do appear to have quite a bit of rot going on in this floor. Looks like somebody used a piece of mud flap or something to repair it, but not to worry. Anything that's too rotted out, we'll cut it out of here and weld a new piece in. And that's what I was worried about. These screws really don't even, they're so rusted up, they really don't even resemble screws anymore. Well, that's kind of difficult to work around. Did I miss one freaking bolt? Yep, sure did. Ow, that was glass. Well, that's cool. It won't even fit through the dang hole in the floor. Looks like this bar here is just some sort of added support, so I could probably pull that piece of square tooth out. One. already got the driver's side door off. That almost didn't go too well. That's hence why I have the forklift sitting here, but on that side I really don't have much of a choice. Didn't even have to unhook it, it was already ripped. What kind of shape is our turbo in? You really can't get your fingers in there to feel it. Doesn't feel bad, but it was definitely pushing some oil out of the compressor side, so I think it's going to get a new turbo regardless. Might even put a bigger one on it. Stuff like this, whenever I put it back together, is going to be getting all stainless steel hardware. Crunchy. Oh. I was going to say, those are going to be fun to get to. Well, that stuff seems better days. Alright guys, well I think we're off to a good start on getting this cab ready to take off. There's still plenty more to do. I've got a lot of wiring and plumbing and cables and whatnot that need to be unhooked, so I'm not going to record any of that because it's just going to be a lot of marking wires and marking hoses and unhooking them. And I still got to figure out something for rigging this cab up to the forklift to get it pulled off, because I'm kind of limited to how high I can go. Otherwise I'd just use a strap and sling it, but I don't think that's going to be an option. Just wanted to take a quick second and thank all you guys that are watching and all of you that subscribed. Recently we hit 1,000 subscribers, so that's really exciting, and just wanted to say thank you for that. It's still kind of surreal that just me messing around in my garage with this old truck fixing it up, you know, draws even that much attention. So I guess there are quite a few of you out there that are like me and just have a love for these old Mack trucks. By the next episode, I'll have all this wiring and hoses unhooked, and I'll have arrangements made to rig this cab up to safely lift it off of here without damaging it. Until next time, thank you guys for watching and have a good one.